Ever wondered if you can ride along with the movers in their truck? While it might sound like a convenient idea, it's not typically allowed. Let's dive into the reasons why and explore better alternatives for getting to your new home. First, moving trucks have limited space, with seats usually reserved for the moving specialists. Sitting in the cargo area where your belongings are packed isn't safe or legal due to lack of restraints and the risk of shifting items. Even if your movers have insurance, it only covers the truck, the movers, and your belongings, not you as a passenger. Riding in a towed vehicle isn't covered by insurance either. Safety and liability concerns prevent movers from allowing riders. Be cautious if a moving company offers to let you ride along. This could signal unprofessional practices or disregard for safety. Always choose a company that prioritizes your safety and follows regulations. The best way to reach your destination is to drive your own vehicle or have a friend or family member drive it. If you're moving long distance, you can also arrange for your vehicle to be shipped and fly to your new location. Need to save on gas or vehicle wear for a long distance move? Many people ship their car with the moving company and then rent a car or book a flight to meet their belongings at the destination. Coordinate with your movers to ensure you arrive around the same time. For international moves, you'll need to fill out customs paperwork. Most moving companies, like 3 Movers, manage these logistics for you, ensuring a smooth process from start to finish. With over 20 years of experience, 3 Movers knows what's safe and what's not when it comes to transporting clients and their belongings. We prioritize your safety, which is why we don't allow passengers in our moving trucks. Ready to make your next move? Contact us at 888-202-0036 or visit our website for a free quote.